Good afternoon, honorable experts and fellow participants. My name is Anfisa.
And my name is Alex, and today we will share our invention with you.
Environmental pollution is a global challenge, and it can only be countered with massive recycling practices all around the globe. But that poses a lot of challenges on its own, especially in developing countries. The lack of knowledge and motivation keeps a lot of people indifferent to the recycling cause, and this has to change.
And there where our invention comes to play. Meet B.Ecological. It's a smart bin that uses AI to help people determine which recycling bin should their little go to, and then rewards them with points that can be exchanged for coupons at chain restaurants and stores. As added bonus, the bin produced with environmentally friendly materials.
The standard bin setup comes with a regular, all-purpose bin and 3 colored recycling bins for glass, paper, and metal. All the bins are brought together with a wooden plate behind them where an LED and a camera are located. The LED is used for interacting with the user, and the camera is there to detect different types of trash using AI running on Raspberry. At a resting state, all recycling bins have servomotor-controlled lids on top of them that are closed, and they would open once a certain type of trash is detected. Also, inside the bins, there is a laser sensor that would determine how full the bins are. All the processes are powered by Arduino. Now for the software part. B.Ecological comes with a mobile app which helps provide the most convenient and best user experience possible. The app is there to identify customers as they are interacting with the smart bin using a QR code that would be displayed on the LED. This connection allows the bin to send out a certain number of points per each unit of trash disposed. And the points accumulated will be used to exchange for coupons within the app. Also, the bin keeps track of how full it is, and that can send out messages and notifications to the managing staff.
Customer experience will be easy as that. A user walks up the bin, scans QR codes on the display with the B.Ecological app, brings the waste on the camera, drops the trash in the correct bin, and gets valuable points. B.Ecological is a great solution for any big public space, like conventions, malls, and airports. It engages people and brings them the tangible sense of accomplishment for good deeds, helping us all to be green.
Thanks!